For some time now, plenty talk don dey fly up and down about meme token. Example na Shiba Inu, Floki, Doge, and they still plenty. These tokens them don't get bracketed growth and it still fit continue to dey grow. Even though say some of these meme tokens don't make plenty investors lose their money, it still be something we don't find a way enter blockchain and cryptocurrency industry. Hello my people, this na Learn and Earn with Enathon. You don't hear of Wakanda Inu? If you never hear, no worry, you don't hear am now. Africans don't join body together as one to take form their own meme token where they knack the name Wakanda Inu give am. I know say you go don see this sign for plenty places. Now Wakanda Inu you dey see so, just like the normal Wakanda. And as the days come dey go by, plenty people for this Wakanda movement, it sweet them well with standard ginger for body. Now it made them come begin push for different parts of the world, say make people begin see the good things where Wakanda Inu fit do. This development don't show as crypto Twitter don't get plenty people where they talk about them. Even Facebook no carry last for this matter, them serve they feel Wakanda Inu. Popular social media platforms serve they shout the name Wakanda Inu from different parts of the world. These people who have been talked before wey be Africans don't gather raise over 1,334 BNB, wey be $800,000 or about 500 million naira for public crowd sale wey no even reach 24 hours before they fit raise that kind money. Then they come still use 80% of the money where they been gather to create market liquidity for the token. As it is so, you fit trade Wakanda Inu or top Pancake Swap exchange. Upon say Wakanda Inu don't get past 300% gain recorded, the token still dey grow wella. Everybody knows say Africans they support crypto well and they are among the countries where get growing market for crypto adoption. Now, make I ask you this question. As we dey look am so, this one fit be saying it go become the largest crypto export wey go shake the whole world. Although it still dey road dey come. Wetin you think? Wakanda Inu forever.
Enathon, redefining learning.